Friends, with the previous video, there is one request. To previous video, there is one request related to how I can create the bar graph with the provided data of students in Excel. So it's a very easy step. It's we can simply in our Excel, it's already provided the bar graph. We can just select the data and bar graph will be created automatically. So let's process that one. So that part was missed. So I thought of one student raised that. So I just going to demonstrate that one. So what you have to do, you have to first check this in this insert. If you are see this insert is there. In insert, if you go and click on it, you'll get this column wise, line wise, pie chart, bar chart, area, all those things are there. If I go for bar chart, I can go for, if I want to column chart, I can go for column chart, or other any chart you have to select and it will be converted. Let's try with this column chart. So for that, what I have this data, roll number, this and this. So I just select first all this data till my data provided up to social, what my data is there. I just selected that one, then go to insert. From there, this column, and let for 2D will go, then we can go for 2D, or you can go this stack format, but let's go with the 2D. Just click on it and here it will be created. Okay, so you can just drag and drop this one to this portion, a little bit down, and this is all your subjects, or you can just make it a little bit more arranged, drag it so you can see it comfortably. Okay, so now you have this uh, bar chart, and your subjects are there with different colors, and with that whatever your marks as per that it's displaying. So it is bit easy. If in Excel you already have data, you have to only select and show the things. Okay friends, and with that, if you want any other format you want to use, you can do the same thing. You can select this and just insert celebration. So same thing will be created in this, like how things will be done. Or if you want for any one student, let control Z, and I want only for one student, so I can do this, insert, so I can get for only one student here. Okay, so this is the thing, for only one student I have. to this side, so I can drag this to here. Okay. So for single student you can do, and for multiple student also you can do. So this is very easy. You can easily do, or you can choose any color whatever you want. For C1 things, that is the way how you can do this bar graph or graph on provided data. So this is addition to my previous video. Thank you. And students, if it helps you little bit, so the three magical things what you can do, that is like, share and subscribe this channel as much as you can, and share it with all your friends, so everybody will get benefit. And any doubt you have in computer science, you can comment me. I'll prepare a video on that. Thank you.